Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha, and this is Transfer Tuesday. Yay! I'm excited for Transfer Tuesday because we get to put a little money towards debt, and we get to and we also get to put some money towards our investments. So today we're going to be transferring $1.53 to our M1 Finance account because that is what is currently sitting in our brokerage cash, not doing anything. So we're going to transfer that to the First Pi. You'll see all of the information on the screen. And also $21 we are sending to my student loans. So the current balance of all of my student loans right now is $8,354.33. And after the payment that we make today, it is going to be $8,333.33. So we are making progress still. Now, I did have some money transferred from Ibotta because I had about $33 there, but it hasn't hit my account yet. So unfortunately, I can't transfer that yet because it's not in my account. But I will add that to next week's Transfer Tuesday. Also to include the money that we saved in all of the April savings challenges that I contributed to. So I hope you guys will share your wins below and come back next week so we can transfer more money, get rid of debt, slay this debt, kill this debt, annihilate this debt, and build up our assets at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Transfer Tuesday. Remember to have a great day and mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives to its fullest. Bye, guys.